Hey whales, good morning. Happy Monday. It's June 16th. Let's recap the markets and go over Tesla for today. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Tesla, guys. So overall, I just want to make sure you guys are aware that for me, coming from a mindset of full-time trader, I'm still bullish on Tesla as long as it holds this low, this invalidation low at 214. So what does this mean? This means that if I'm bullish on Tesla, I'm only looking for long positions to get into. I'm not looking to short Tesla and try to counter trade a trend. Okay, we're still bullish, in my opinion. I have a bullish bias, so I'm only looking for long positions. Now, from a roadmap perspective, there are two paths that Tesla can take. And this is where it gets a little bit complicated, but stay with me here. So off the lows of the wave 2, right? We're looking for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that got put in place for all of a wave 1, right? And now this is where the two paths can go into. We have either a WXY wave to finish off a wave 2. So this is a complex correction, right? Or surprise, the wave 2 is in. We won't break below this low at 272 anymore, okay? And we're going to be going on this alternative path to $400 per share, $450 per share, okay? So either or makes sense. It's still too early to tell, guys, okay? But there is good news. The first good news is that Tesla did put in 5 waves here from the lows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so very good news here. We'd like to see 5 waves in. So that indicates an impulse from the lows. Okay, so we want to make sure Tesla can break above this 335 high. We're almost there at 332 pre-market. So we want to see Tesla break above that high to get 5 waves. If that's the case, very good sign to start. Okay, and then we'll take it day by day and see whether or not this B level can hold. So what am I doing as a day trader? As a trader in general, I'm looking for a potential wave B to buy. I'm looking at a potential wave blue Y to buy. Okay, so those are the two levels I'm looking at ultimately to go into Tesla. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at potentially. All right, moving forward. Now, the good news is that you see companies like Oracle, right, breaking to all-time highs. Palantir has been extremely bullish as well, right? So very solid indication that the markets are still bullish, guys. You're starting to see uranium stocks. You're starting to see quantum stocks starting to consolidate and flag out as well. So these are all really good signs that, in my opinion, it's unlikely. It's still possible, but it's unlikely for the S&P to do something crazy and Armageddon happens and we break all the way down, right? It's just unlikely for me. So I am still keeping my bullish bias, still looking for higher highs. Now, if you take a look at, this is what I also posted in my Discord, right? You can see from the seasonality standpoint, July, we get this sort of, consolidation, wave 4, very choppy area between May and June. So you'll see that. But when you go into July, that's when sort of the breakout happens here, typically on a seasonality standpoint. So we just have to get through sort of this consolidation, before higher. So that's why I'm still bullish on a seasonality standpoint. This sort of coincides, right? This sort of looks like what's going to happen within June on the S&P. Just a little bit of consolidation for a blue 4 before higher. So let's see, right? Still bullish overall on my end.